Sometimes we may have to check if a string is empty or contains various white spaces like space, tab, carriage return, etc. For that, we can use isBlank method of the string class in Java. But the method isBlank is only valid for Java 11 and higher versions of Java. This is the signature of the method isBlank of the class string. The method isBlank is a public method which returns boolean. It returns true if string is empty or contains white spaces like space, tab, carriage return, etc. Otherwise, the method isBlank returns false. Here we have the Java file first.java. In the first.java, we have the class first. In the class first, we have the method main. In the method main, we are creating a new string which contains hello. The reference to that newly created string in the heap will be stored into the reference variable s of type string. Then we are calling the method isBlank by using the reference variable s. The JVM checks if the content of the string whose reference is stored into the reference variable s having an empty string or not, having only space characters or not. No, this string hello is not an empty string. Neither this string contains only space characters. That's how in this case the method isBlank returns false. When we print the boolean variable b, it prints false. In the next statement, we are creating a new empty string whose reference will be stored into the reference variable s. And again we are calling the method isBlank by using the reference variable s. At this time, the caller of the method isBlank contains empty string. That's how in this case the method isBlank returns true. In the next statement, we are creating a new string with only space characters. We have a space, we have tab, we have carriage return, we have a space. So this string contains only space characters. The string will be created in the heap whose reference will be stored into the reference variable s. When we call the method isBlank by using the reference variable s, it will return true because the string contains only space characters. You can use the method isBlank only if you are using the Java 11 or higher versions of Java. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.